How to make non-stock requisition in ATM only way. Most people get this wrong, but creating a non-stock requisition in ATM is simpler than it seems. You won't believe how streamlined the process can be when you follow the proper steps. Start by logging into ATM and navigating to the Requisitions module. Select Create New Requisition and choose the non-stock option. This ensures the system treats your request as special order rather than drawing from existing inventory. Next, fill in the item details accurately. Include descriptions, vendor information, quantity, and expected delivery dates. For complex or custom items, attach any necessary specifications or documentation to avoid delays. Set the approval workflow. Non-stock requisitions usually require managerial approval before submission. Assign the correct approvers in ATM and ensure all mandatory fields are complete to prevent rejection. Finally, review and submit the requisition. ATM will generate a unique reference number, allowing you to track its status, monitor for updates, and respond promptly to any approval requests or clarifications from the purchasing team. In conclusion, making a non-stock requisition in ATM involves selecting the correct requisition type, providing complete item details, setting approvals, and monitoring submission status. Follow these steps carefully, and your non-stock requests will be processed efficiently every time.